Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to draw a fiery sketch of the best bowler in the world, Jasprit Bumrah. Let's start with drawing the head. After that, draw the torso and connect to it, the pelvis. In the first part of the drawing, we will only use basic shapes. After that, we will draw the position of the legs. Keep the lines light as we will erase them and add details over. Draw the hands, which are in a celebration position and are in the air. Make sure to check the proportions with our sketch as it is a big factor. Now we will start to draw details starting from the jersey and the body. Before going ahead, if you are enjoying this tutorial like the video, which motivates us to do great work like this, share with us in the comments your favorite Jasprit Bumrah moment. While applying details, take your time as it is a very important part of the drawing. Using this method of drawing basic shapes of a sketch, you can draw poses from imagination as well. Once we are done with the details, let us start with coloring the sketch. Make sure strokes are uniform and in the same direction so the sketch looks more cohesive. While coloring, one thing you should keep in mind is the proportion of colors so that you can have a balanced sketch. Carefully blend the colors together so the sketch looks livelier. Make sure to pay attention to the source of height as it will define the position of shadows and highlights on the sketch. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe for more search content. Let's draw a thoughtful background which complements the sketch. For coloring in the background, we will use the colors of the Indian flag. If you enjoyed drawing this sketch, let us know in the comments which other player would you like to draw. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.